Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is unlike any other I've ever filmed. I am so nervous to make this video. I don't know what the heck is wrong with me. This is a bold move for me and the first of many bold moves I'm sure I'm going to have to like make in my journey as a content creator. But taking leaps are always so nervous and like I'm freaking out, but I gotta do this, so let's do it. Welcome to the official announcement of the NATZ Fam exclusive. Yes, you heard right. I am adding an exclusive layer to my content here on YouTube only for my channel members. And I know this is probably the first time you have heard of the term channel members, and so you're wondering what the heck it is. So let me tell you real quick that channel membership is a layer that YouTube added for creators like me that have supporters who wants to support the channel, who wants to support their favorite creators but don't know how to. This was made for that exact scenario. It's basically where I create a membership tier that provides exclusive content that only my channel members will see, and in return you basically subscribe and you pay a monthly fee of a certain amount, and with that monthly fee you get more content, you know, the exclusive one that the rest of the subscribers don't get to see. I hope I have explained that correctly. Bear with me if it is not coming out of my mouth the exact way that I planned. I'm nervous about this because it's like my first big move of my business after years, and I don't know, it feels weird. It feels weird to be, you know, making this video. But many of you have reached out to me though, like in my Instagram DMs, you know, asking me ways in which you can support me as a content creator, because you've always heard me talking about wanting to make this my full-time job. And this year I am finally trying to do more with this business to make that happen for me. You know, it's been like 3 going 4 years now, and I basically make zero money off of YouTube. I get paid on YouTube since being monetized twice in like 2 years, and that was once a year, and it was like the basic threshold of 100 USD. So I made no money off of, you know, off of this, and you guys know I put my all in on my content. I really do try to do my best in my editing, in providing entertaining, you know, content for you that I know you want to see, content that you request of me. I always try to, like, you know, put music that will be enjoyable to your ears, and I try not to be boring, even though here and there I might, you know, do a sit down video that is probably not as interesting, but I want to connect with you in, you know, different ways, and in ways that speak to all of you here, and not just like one particular set, because you have a set that loves vlogs, another set that loves sit down content where, you know, I'm talking about other things, another set that loves something else. So I'm always trying to provide that content that feeds to each and every one of you, my NATZ fam. And the next step in my business for me, in order to start making it a full-time income for me and my family, is to introduce this tier to my YouTube channel. So that is what I will be doing. If you are seeing this video right now, it means that channel membership is now open. So let me walk you through what my channel membership will be, what the cost will be, and what you will be getting in return if you do decide to become a NATZNIFICENT channel member. Cannot believe I'm saying this. Like, take a sip of something every time I say I can't believe I'm saying this. Let's get into it. So let me walk you through all of the exclusive content that channel members will be getting, and I hope that you would love to join the channel after this. So first things first, I just want to say that all, and I mean 100% of the income received through channel members will go directly into my content production and trying to cover that cost, because to be honest, being a content creator here, the amount of money I spend monthly on just for just getting content up and, you know, all over the place is a lot. And, you know, trying to balance that, know that I do not have like a regular 9 to 5 job. At the moment, I'm working way less hours at my part-time job, so therefore I'm making way less money while we're still living in the same house, still have the same lifestyle. So you know, our financial situation is going through an adjustment period, and so to be quite honest, I just cannot afford to keep maintaining all of what it takes to maintain putting content out there. You know, my editing software costs money. The music platform that I use to add music to my videos costs money. The platform that I use to make my thumbnails costs money monthly. Like even thumbnails, those pretty thumbnails that you guys see, I have to pay in order to make them. You know what I mean? And there are just so many other different aspects to this. If my camera needs new batteries, like the other day I had to spend money and get new batteries because the batteries that I had, they have run their course, and I had to replace that. My mic was damaged, I had to replace my mic. My tripod, I had to buy a tripod part to hold the camera up so that you guys can be out there and I can be out here, and we're all in one piece. You know what I mean? So I'm just saying, like, there's so many maintenance that needs to be done behind the scenes that maybe you guys, you know, aren't so aware of unless you're content creators yourself. So this is just a way in for me to like make some additional money, some additional income, so that I can take care of my content creation expenditure. So the first exclusive content that my channel members are going to be getting is that you are going to be choosing a video for the month that is specifically made for you. At the middle of every single month, I will be putting out a community post on the YouTube platform that is only going to be seeable by channel members, because you can do that on YouTube, like make posts visible to a certain, you know, to certain people. So I'll be putting out a community post, and you guys are going to either vote on a video topic or basically give me your suggestions of video topics that you would want me to make, and I will choose from that and make that specific video for the channel members community. And of course, whatever video I do decide on making from that general list from the channel members, I will be shouting out that channel member in the video. So if NATZ, for example, I'm using my own name, if NATZ suggested that I make a day in the life at a Japanese supermarket, when I do make that video and it goes live to channel members, I will be bigging up NATZ in that video and making it known that NATZ, you were the one that told me you wanted to see this video. I think that sounds fun. And also you'll be able to choose whether you want like a regular video that's like, you know, pre-recorded and edited, or if you want a live stream. I think the live streams can be super fun, especially if it's like intimate and just between me and the channel members. You know, like, I swear, if it's even one of you that signs up to be a channel member, we will be having a live stream together, okay, on Zoom, on wherever, on, you know, YouTube live. Like, it's gonna be just between us. It's gonna be intimate, it's gonna be a vibe. We are going to love it, and this will happen at the end of every month, simply because I feel like at the end of the month we kind of have an idea of more what we want to see, rather than I wonder what I want to see her make on April 1st, you know. But by April 30, I'm sure you probably have a general idea of something that you like to see from me. So in the middle of the month, I will put out the community post. You get to give me your suggestions, and all of that you get to vote on whether you want like a regular video or a live stream, and I will make that happen for you. And of course, every week this is ongoing, so your suggestion might not have gotten picked in one week or another, but be certain that I am having the list. I'm always going to be taking notes, and I'm always going to be choosing the ideas from my members, from you. So yeah, that's the first exclusive perk that I have up my sleeve for my channel members, let's head into the next one, which is members only videos, where you get to know the behind the scenes of what is happening with me in my life when I am not, I guess, publicly announcing it, or have not gotten to the stage where I am making like my regular YouTube videos on it. So for example, think about if I get pregnant again, my channel members will be the first to know. You know, it takes a while for people to share that they're pregnant. I don't know why this is just such a social norm or stuff like that, to wait forever to share your pregnancy. But I didn't share my first pregnancy until like 20 weeks, which is crazy. But just think about, if I get pregnant again, you'll be the first to know. If I am moving from Japan, like packing up shit and leaving Japan for good, you'll be the first to know. If I am moving from an apartment to a next apartment, you'll be the first to know. Like, whatever is happening in my life, my channel members, I promise you, will be the first to know with the members only video. And those are going to be like just real special content. So let me just give you like a little, what do they call that? I don't even call, I'm not even sure of the word right now because I'm so nervous, but we have to move from this apartment by December of this year, I know. And it's a story that I'm only going to be talking with my channel members about, because yeah, I just feel as if I want to take you on that journey like more intimately. So apartment hunting, like choosing which apartment we want, and these apartment tours and all of that, these are videos that I have in my mind that I am going to be creating specifically for channel members. And my regular subscribers, of course, they will know that I'm moving when the time is right. But like all the behind the scenes you know, video content, like touring the houses, getting all the stuff ready, packing up my house, and how I do that, you know, all of that stuff, I will be releasing to my channel members first. So yeah, you'll be getting an insight into my big life updates right here on channel memberships. And of course, there are other things like early access to my merch launch. If you didn't know and you have been here a while, I do have merch. You can always find it linked in the description of every one of my videos and on my channel, of course. So if you've never seen my merch before, please check it out. Thank you for the support. Shameless plug. But of course, early launches to like my merch, any products that I will be launching, which is another tier of my content creation and just being like an online business person, I guess. I will be launching soon. You guys know I am launching a blog in summer, and with that blog will come, you know, different products that I will be offering and selling on my platform. So yeah, this is just like a very big step for me, and I am nervous, but also I am excited. But yeah, consider yourself the prioritized persons of the channel, you know. And I also, in my new end card for my videos, I have a specific block that I'll be listing out like just like first, initial, last names for all the channel members, because I just want to always be shouting you out. You know, if you're taking your time and your money to invest in me and my channel, then I want to ensure that everybody knows that you are doing it. It's a way for me to continuously say thank you, and so you get a spot, or your name gets a spot to live on my channel forever in that end card. And I just think it's going to be a fun time. And of course, there are just other little things that might be going on, you know, in my day-to-day life that I just want my channel members, you know, to know about. If there is something crazy, like a crazy movie I'm watching or something. I mean, I'm always giving movie recommendations on like my Instagram and stuff, but if there's like anything special that I think, you know, I'm gonna put my channel members onto this, like I think they should benefit from this knowledge that I have, I'll definitely be, you know, putting it out there to you once you are a channel member. So this is just me trying to step it up in my business, and it's me trying to include you in what I am doing, I say, and the videos that I am creating. Like, I feel as if I do a good job at listening to my audience, but some of the times I don't get around to, like, you know, video suggestions and stuff immediately or within 3 months or whatever. Sometimes it comes months down the line, even years down the line. But with this, I think it's a motivation for both of us. Like, I get to actually prioritize making a video that you want to see, and you can spend your money on my content knowing that I'm giving you what you want. So like I said, this is just me trying to put my foot or step out of, you know, my general bubble, and this is me trying to build my business into making it my full-time job and what supports my family, and this is just a way to do so. I really hope that it is received well. I am very nervous about this, and I'm also excited to see the response from you guys. And of course, if you totally forgot everything I said in this video, all of the information regarding the channel membership and how to subscribe to it will be in the description of this very video. It will be right there, and in order to join as a channel member, there should be a join button right beside your subscribe button when you hop on my channel. You click that little join button and it will give you, like, the, what do they call that, the drop down menu of the channel membership details, the amount of money you're going to be paying, and what you're going to be paying for. The price is going to be around 590 yen, which is like about $5 US. I am not checking I am not checking like the exchange rate for today, but I know it's like around 700 Jamaican dollars, around $5 US or even less, and 590 Japanese yen if you're in Japan. I tried to price it as low as possible so both parties can be comfortable, you know, with what I'm giving versus what I'm receiving, plus what you are paying, plus what you are receiving. I try to, like, you know, put it somewhere in the middle where both of us, like me and you, can you know, be comfortable with what we're giving and receiving. So that is the big announcement. That is all about the NATZ Fam exclusive. We have a hype name. It's like, are you a part of the NATZ Fam inclusive? No, not inclusive. Are you a part of the NATZ Fam exclusive? Please join, because this is where fun starts but never stops. Oh my god, I am so nervous, you guys. Anyway, that is going to be it from me in today's very special video. If you have any questions, of course, comment them in the comments down below. I will respond, or you can send me a DM over on Instagram. I am at NATZWeb on Instagram. Shoot me a DM and we can talk. I hope to see at least one person in this month's members only video or live stream. I am super happy to see what video I'm going to be creating or what live stream we're going to be streaming up. So yeah, that is it from me today. Thank you so much, of course, in advance for subscribing and becoming a channel member. Thank you for trusting me with your money that I'll be providing, you know, the exclusive content to suit what you want to see from yours truly. And yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. And I hope to see you in members only content. All right? Bye, guys.